Money, making credit for money.
So what's up guys, Maze? This is day 17 of the NSC Investment Challenge 2025. Maze, let's go. Man, you already know. Checking. So the thing is, so this is today we're going to try and trade with the third AI. The third AI is Grok, the one for X, the one for Elon Musk. So today we're going to try and trade with that, and then now from there now we're going to see how it goes. But for now, let's see what's going on in the business world. Ndio, at the end of the day ataka tunajaribu kuona kutrade na AI mazee. Let's see some good news mazee. Everything is about business ndio. So hapo kwa business daily kuna Muhoho makes NCBA comeback amid buyout talks. Okay, Kenya's richest 1% get almost half of 10-year wealth. So Kenya's richest 1% get almost half of 10-year percent. Let me ask, how badly do you want to like get rich? Like me, how badly, like if you ask me how badly I want to get rich, like after seeing people say 1.06 trillion in profits this year, I really want to get, like, if that's the kind of money people are moving, me, I want to move that kind of money also. Like it pisses me off that action isn't directed towards me. So checky. So this thing over here, that Kenya's richest 1% can get almost half of 10-year wealth. We'll get there. I'll get there, man. Hakuna story mingi. It's either you're gonna watch me get there, Mazema, we're gonna get there together. So let's go. 25,000 circles risk closure over missing audit reports. Sako yako inatingwa, man. Anyway, so let's go. Safaricom keeps 80% of dividend policies amid debt surge. The 45,000 Kiondo brings grandma's craft back to life. Supports women weavers. Okay, that's good, I guess. Good for you, man. Corporate income taxes in the rare fall, payroll receipts stall. Tanzania tycoon takes 68.7%. Yeah, mazao TZ wana invest huku mazee na manini zetu, si ndio? But that's good, man. Intra Africa trade is good. It's bad that trading in Africa is harder than trading in Africa and Europe. Like moving your goods between Europe is easier than moving your goods between Africa, which is a damn shame, man. So anyway, Family Bank appoints advisor. Orbit starts making sugar-free gum. I don't know if Orbit is in the PLC. We're gonna check. Paramount Bank raises 332. Paramount iko kwa PLC, iko ICPLC. PLC ni public listed company. Venture capital firm raises 2 billion for tech startups. So if you're in tech right now, Maze, if you're seeing this and you're in tech, Maze, kuna 2 billion iko hapo ndani, Maze. So somewhere, man. Don't say I didn't tell you, man. East Africa Portland biggest shareholder Kalahari Cement has announced an agreement to buy 27% stake in the company held by NSSF. Man, mbona there are no young people working in NSSF? Me, I'd like to meet young people working in the National Social Security Fund, because it seems like NSSF is run by really old people, man. That's gotta change at some point, man. Kenya coffee prices cross 1,000 kg record. 1,000 shillings, 1,000 per kilogram. Where? It's a good year for coffee farmers, I guess. I'm not checking. So that's good. So this is business daily. So far, World Bank raises Kenya growth outlook. This is the same World Bank inatuambia mazee, we don't have competition in the power generation sector, the agricultural sector, the Ni sekta gani mazee? Ni sekta gani ingine haina compare vile? Anyway, so sawa basi. Eh, inflation silent threat is crypto creeping in on traditional diversifier stuff? Well then, let's see. Partner content Xness. Kenyan traders choose forex brokers with M-Pesa and mobile payments. It's not just forex traders, it's also crypto traders. There are a lot of crypto traders who are trading with M-Pesa, so that's something else. Market and finance, coffee export up to 43 billion in 9 months on higher prices. Damn, man, guys are making money. Ama historia ati kublame man. So kuna venye Wakenya wanacheza rap hapa man. Vile mi naona mazido inatengenezwa man. So anyway. FSD sets up 3.9 B for insurance funds. So as you can see, Maze, it's generally just good news. Like Acorn gets nod on 2.2 billion for young professional housing. So that's studios and one-bedroom apartments. Like generally, it's just good news at the end of the year. There's Safaricom moves investors with 15 billion tax-free bond. Damn, what's that about? Tax-free. Man, hii kitu mazee nafaa kuilipia. Hopefully by next year mazee. By next week mazee tutakuwa tumelipia hii kitu jo. Tuache hizi aibu ndogo ndogo man. But anyway, let's go. Pension funds nearly double alternative assets to 106 billion. That's close to $1 billion. NCBA Bank launches offshore equities and fixed income funds. Okay, I guess that's why the Nini was rising. KDC gives Kenya Dairy Commission gives Githunguri Dairy 500 million for small scale farmers. Money is moving at the end of the day, especially in the agricultural sector. Guys are investing really heavily in the agricultural sector. So I guess that's why stock agriculture mazili inasonga. So states slap new import-export levies on BIXA. What's BIXA? It's commodities. Coffee, dealer split over spit tea tasting at Mombasa auction. Na kuna vitu zingine zu happen unless unasoma hii stuff hivi mazee daily. You really can't nini mazee. Ka hii BIXA ni nini? What's BIXA? Coast grown cash crop used for food coloring and cosmetic product. Well, by my beard. So far as you can see, we are in this. People are still trading. You guys are making profits. What the hell? Umeshafika 600k. Damn boy. Huyu lazima tupatane naye mzee tuambie masiri zake. At the end of the day, we're here to learn and to earn mazee. So if you're not learning, you're earning. If you're not earning, you're learning, and vice versa is the truth. So guys, I don't know if these guys know each other. They're just nini mazee, but after some of these people and see mazee and talk to them. So basi, let's go. So before the end of these 30 days, we're going to look for at least 3 people who are in this NCBA and not NCBA NSC investment challenge, and talk to them, especially those top guys, and talk to them and ask mazee mwakea ni gani man. Wasana kaa kuna msemaza sha make 600. Sasa imagine ungekompatia 250k mazee, sasa angekuwa sha kumekea 600k. Seeing this, okay then, let's go. Okay, sawa basi. But at the end of the day, me ni beginner. It's not like I know like any of this stuff. Mi nimeingia hapa mazeka beginner. I literally just started 30 days ago. Like 30 days ago, started learning this thing. So hakuna loss hapa mazee, it's a win-win thing. So so let's go. So this is what happened. This is what's happening in the world of business today. Access Bank Q3 losses widen. This is the first bank nimeona mazee iko na loss. Bank zingine mazee zimekuwa tu zikifanya profit. Lender posted a net loss of 783 million. Okay. NSE poses Portland cement trading wa uchumi. Wacha tuone vile stocks na mobile money momentum cools as transaction values dip in September. I guess ni juu vile KRA wanajaribu kuingia kwa mpesa ya kila mtu kufind out nini unafanya na pesa zako. So Wakenya hataki kulipa tax juu enye nikawa ni palio tax inaenda at the end of the day. So like unafaa kuwa na free healthcare, some stuff like that, man. But it's not easily done because we're a capitalistic society. So getting things for free beats the whole capitalistic agenda. But at the end of the day, it's good for competition and offering new services. But at the same time, where do you put a cap on greed, on how much greed somebody has? So hiyo ni topic for another day. So far mazi tunaangalia hii stuff. The NASI is down 1% after recording its fourth steepest drop of 2025 yesterday. Damn. Foreign. So basically this is where I get information. Mazi nikiamka asubuhi naenda naangalia hapa. Like kuna point itafika now we won't be using AI mazi, tutakuwa literally tuna analyze vitu from square one. I'll definitely learn how to analyze things from a square one perspective point, and then grow from there, and then now see from there how we're gonna go. So sawa basi. Tanzanian tycoon seeks majority control of East African Portland. Oh, that's a whole nother thing. So I guess now the pre-trading session Maze is on. I don't know Maze if you can buy, but let's go to the one thing that's imetufanya tukuja hapa. So today what we're going to do today is we're going to use Grok. This is the third AI we're going to use. The first time we used ChatGPT, the second time we used DeepSeek. Now we're going to use Grok, the AI Maze made by Elon Musk. So we're going to see if trading with AI is profitable, or you need something else with more data analysis to actually be able to make an informed decision on which stocks to buy and which stocks not to buy. So what we're going to do right now, so first of all we're going to ask, are you familiar with the Nairobi Securities Exchange? Are you familiar with the Nairobi Securities Exchange? Yes, I'm familiar. Of course it will say yes. 50% of the total market cap, equity, Britain. Key features: fully automated. Fully automated trading via the automated trading system. Uses central depository and the settlement corporation CDSC for clearing and settlements. Open to foreign investors. No restrictions on foreign ownership in most stocks except a few like Safaricom, which had a 20 to 25% foreign cap in the past, now removed. So it's fully fully open to foreign investments, relatively small, but one of the most developed and liquid exchanges. Relatively small, so we're still small. They still need more businesses inside the Nini. It has grown significantly in the last decades, especially driven by Safaricom's dominant and increased retail investor participation. Retail investor participation through mobile trading platforms via brokers like KCB, M-Pesa, Diane Blair, AIB, Axis, etc. Diane Blair is still there, man. Okay, so Abasi. Are you investing there, researching for a specific stock, or looking for a listing requirement? I can dive deeper in any aspect. Do you know about the NSE Investment Challenge 2025? Oh, so it's such the way based on familiar with the NSE Investment Challenge 2025 will be running as an annual investment. It's officially known as NSE Smart Youth Investment Challenge and serves as a key financial education initiative aimed at promoting stock market literacy, investment skills, and positive engagement among Kenyan youths, particularly students. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. It helps participants understand equities, bonds, and overall capital markets while encouraging savings and investing habits. So, yeah. Trades are executed via platform mirrors, actual NXT activities, and mentorship from stockbrokers and investment. Uh-huh. Okay. Register. So it knows. Look, I know the target is 18 to 25, but I highly encourage anybody who has a chance to like do this because at the end of the day, in as much as what's it called, youth is not a guarantee of innovation, nor is age a guarantee of efficiency. So if you've been wanting to learn about finance and especially the stock, at the end of the day, 1.06 trillion is a lot of money for people to add on to their portfolio. And you're there thinking, maze, inia sewa young, ama stuff ka hiyo. My friend, money has no age limit on where you can get it. Still, if you know somebody who needs this, just go tell them because at the end of the day, do an do an in-depth analysis on the Nairobi Securities Exchange from a trader or a broker's perspective and give a full report. In-depth Nairobi perspective. So you see, it's giving you majority of 18 minus 0.7. So it's doing an analysis on everything. So just like we do with every AI, we're going to make it do an in-depth analysis so that we can see the depth of how far it can go. ChatGTP, we did it with ChatGTP. We did it with DeepSeek. DeepSeek was a bit shallow, and then now we're doing it with X. You can see X is it's doing the most, man. So as you can see, it speaks for itself. So okay. In 2025. Mm-hmm. 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 Expound, expound, expound on the current market performance, its liquidity and volatility. Let's see. So as you can see over here, the current market performance as of November 26th, we are on November 27th. We haven't even begun trading, trading economics. Tunapata hapa. So we're gonna close all this. At the end of the day, kuna point itafika, we'll just do our own research, and then from there now we see. Safaricom companies dominate, comprising 40% of the market cap. So Safaricom is in NSE 25, NSE 20, and also the NSE 10. So hiyo ni poa. E underscores its role as the frontier market powerhouse, robust YTD, year to date appreciation. YTD ni nini? What's YTD? Let's Google. I'm trying to learn YTD ni nini? YTD year to date, sindio? Man, don't log out. Yeah. So open call to action. NC investments. So we have 178k to trade. So from there now we're going to see. So YTD. So the NSE primary benchmarks the NSE 20 blue chip focus NSE all share index, and the NSE 25 illustrates that this duality of strength and caution as of November 26th. So the closing value, I'm telling you, reading this stuff is boring, but I have to get excited. You know why? Because at the end of the day, it's finance. It's the fastest way. As boring as it seems, it's the fastest way to get information on how you can actually become a millionaire. So, whether it be in dollars, shillings. So this time around, we're just breaking down the things that are happening in Kenya. But at some point in time, you have to understand, this thing, we're going to take it international. So, whether it takes 1 year or 2 years, at the end of the day, we're going to make it. YTD context, we're in this together, man. So yeah, checky. I'm fully invested. From a trade perspective, this performance signal entry points in undervalued sector, e.g., insurance like KNA. But brokers advise monitoring November 6 Safaricom earnings for directional cues. Market cap concentration risks is in this item. Yeah, this item was on equity KCB holds a 55% cap still. Risk liquidity dynamics, improving volumes with concentration risks. Grok is really good, man. What? Shout out to Elon Musk, man. PS5 HDMI and all that good shit, man. Anyway, checking. Trader broken high liquidity in Safaricom, average 16 million shares a day, minimizes bid ask spreads. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna find out. Ideal for day trading, and but gems or AIMS stock sees 2.5% spread due to thin books. Broker benefits from liberalization commissions, but must educate them on T.1, T+1 3 settlements. Even this one, we're going to find out what exactly this is. At the end of the day, kidogo. We're gonna find out. We're gonna tutachambua hii kitu mazee hadi ingiane. NASI, annualized volatility, high beta stocks, Kenyan, volatility from momentum plays. So there's historical or recent volatility. Use stop losses to 3.5 days. But this one doesn't have a stop loss, so I guess they'll improve it with as time goes. No. So okay. Love this. Kabisa. All sources. So NSC. So here's the thing. Using data you can gather in the broker of the of the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Which stocks would you invest in? Which stocks would you invest in today? So we're gonna see. All of them keep saying the same thing. All of them keep saying the same. Safaricom, Equity, Kengen, KCB, Kenya Power. Pick other stocks besides the blue chip. Do in-depth analysis on all traded companies. This analysis is just for education and informative purposes. Yet nakwambia mazuu uende ufanye hivyo mazee, but at the end of the day, Williamson T, CIC, Orion, Transcentury, Olympia, Sassini Berry, Alternative Market Segment, ARM Cement, Growth Enterprise Segment, Aggregate Index Analysis, selected on blue chip stock, Uchumi, and a charter. I wonder if you can buy Uchumi right now. Let's see. Start trading. Let's see if you can buy Uchumi. because bado huwezi nunua. Cheki, angalia, bado huwezi nunua uchumi, sijui mbona bo, unaona. So uchumi umepanda for the last 3 days, but you still can't buy it. That's that. So let me shoot anyway. Yeah. So let's go back to Grok. Strategic recommendation. Deep analysis on uchumi. So Stanley Fahari, rate sector, Williamson T, sindio. Retail sector, construction sector, sindio. Standard Chartered, banking sector, Williamson T, Sri Krishna overseas, he may lose love, claim trees, MOC maturity, sindio. Slum bands, VIP. Cusco Holdings, Unga Limited, Mastermind Tobacco, so market cap 5015, Chumi, Kenya Airways. Kenya Airways pia ilipanda. So which stocks from this information? Which stocks would you buy? Which stocks would you buy? KPLC, Standard Chartered, KPLC, uchumi umekataa. Century, ndio. Stanlib. Stanlib. Still loss, making too much debt, too many moving parts, slow realization. Damn Grok, what? Already well owned and fairly priced after 20 year-to-date return. Placement order. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put, with the exception of Uchumi, since we see Uchumi can't we're gonna put on let's see, start trading. Which one is this? Stanley Fahari. Is that thing here? Fahari. Hii iko hapa. So which other stock to replace Stanley Fahari? Kuna Lake Harvest. Lake Harvest ni gani? Place Lake Harvest. Place Lake Harvest. Samia. So we'll go with Samia. No. So we're going to buy Standard Chartered. So Standard Chartered, the down, the. So we're gonna buy 100. Yeah, we're gonna buy 100 shares. 100 shares for Standard. You say 80. 80 for Standard Chartered. Yeah. Then we're going to buy KPLC again. Time around KPLC was going to let down. KPLC. My watch list, KPLC. KPLC gani? KPLC. Yeah, 4 bob. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 8. Yeah, so we're going to buy 100. So this one you can't buy. Is preferred. Acha tununue KPLC hapa. Yeah. So we're going to buy 100, 1,000. No. I'm gonna buy 1,000. No. Just like that. Today I don't have time to give reasons. I gotta go, man. Uchumi, Transcentury, Transcentury, Transcentury. Mm-hmm. And yeah, Transcentury. Con Transcentury is copy. Transcentury, 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 Transcentury. Hey. Kwani kuna zingine zimetolewa? Come on, man, give me a break. Olympia Capital Holdings. Transcentury. Transcentury, Transcentury. Let's see. You're kidding me. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back and see Samia. So, we're gonna switch profile to Samia. SMER. Aje SMER iko man, kuna vitu zenye ziko hapa jo, so I think we'll just stick to that KPLC and NIBAL. Hatuta move on. So far portfolio from Grok is 36,000 still. As of right now, it's at 6,765. So from there now we're going to see. So we put KPLC 13K is and the charter 22K. So we're gonna turn notepad. So trade, this is 27th, ilikuwa 27th 11th 2025, and then so using Grok AI bought KPLC and Standard Chartered Bank Kenya. So that's only two stocks we bought. Since the rest they're not there, I don't know why. So I'm gonna check in tomorrow. We're gonna see how it goes. So you guys have a good day, Maze, and see you guys later. Maze, succeed, Maze. Let's go. Let's progress.